How to log in Threads account. So if you want to log in into your Threads account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to log into your Threads account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app. Then you should see continue with Instagram. So if you have your Instagram account on the page, just click on your Instagram profile to log in, or better still, click on use different account. Now, once you click on use different account, you'll be prompted to type in your Thread username, email or phone number, and then the password. Now, once you type in your Thread username, email, phone number, then go ahead and hit the login, and you'll be logged into your Thread account. Or better still, go back and click on your Instagram profile on the page. Then you should see getting ready for Threads. Once you see getting ready for Threads, just hang on. This is only going to take a couple of seconds before you are logged into your Threads account. You see that? So this is my Threads account. Then if you click on this profile icon at the bottom right here and hold it, then you can add a new profile or select your current profile. Then click on it again. If you click on the two lines at the top right, then you have access to the thread settings. Then your thread profile. If you click on the globe icon at the top left, then you have access to the privacy settings on Thread. So that is basically how to log into a Thread account on your phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.